Alright, figured I might as well take the gasket off while I'm here. I don't see any silicone or what's known as schmoo on the gasket, so this probably hasn't been changed ever, be my guess. But we'll see if we can get it off without too much trouble. Oh yeah, it's off easy. Real easy. Okay. Maybe I can. Come on. Oh. I'll mess that up a bit. That's not bad. Come on. Okay. I guess I should save that. My sample. Yeah, all right, came off good. Let's clean this up a little bit better. I guess the gasket was just dried out. Really, it's not rusty or anything, but or maybe just needed to be tightened up. But I don't think there's any give left in the gasket. I think she was a little crispy. But I'll get a new gasket for it. New gasket, some new fluid. Good for another 50 years. I think. All right, pull that off of there. Yeah, it looks real good. Let's see what goes on here. Oh yeah. Let's see. Don't see any pieces anyways. Yeah, it looks good. Well, I figured I might as well do this before I put the gas tank in. It'll be a hell of a lot easier with that out of the way. And one less thing to worry about. All right, just let that freaking thing drain. I wonder if I should hit it with some brake cleaner maybe. Help it along. Why not? Oh, there we go. Maybe. Oh, easy. Yeah, in case there's any crud in the bottom, right? So screwdriver. Yeah. Well, no chunks. Just a bit thick down there, but looks pretty good. Sparkly? Nope, not yet. Okay. too much of that. Oh man, that's, I don't see no sparklies in there at all. Another light. Oh, looks good. Yeah, it's awesome. Crap, that's gone. That's good enough. Let that drain and dry, and I'll have to see about getting a gasket tomorrow and some more gear oil. All right, getting back on the 64 panel truck. Got the diff cover cleaned up, and I just got the new gasket for it. So this is probably going to be overkill, but I'm going to use this gasket stuff, stick it on there, and hopefully I don't have any problems. It's probably, yeah, probably a little bit much, but we'll see. I'll spread that out before I do anything else. Don't know if I need to go around these bolts, probably doesn't matter, but I'm only going to get one crack at this, so. This is actually a gasket maker, so yeah, I don't think it's going to leak with this and the gasket. Now I'm just going to smooth that out a bit. Just like that. That should do it. That's probably too much actually, but just take a little bit off this here so it doesn't goop into the insides. Just like that. Now, there's my gasket, which was, I don't know, 10 bucks or something. Wasn't too bad. Just got it locally. All right. Hopefully that stays, doesn't slide off. When I go into the truck, maybe I'll just give another shot on this side. Then I'll just go down there, clean the other part off, and that'll be it. Because I don't plan to ever take this off again, so let's just do it. This looks like pretty good gasket stuff, actually. Probably could have just used this and not used the gasket, but like I said, I only want to do this once. Yeah, that's probably more than I need, but all right. getting sticky already. Yeah, I think that's what they call overkill. All right, let's do it. All right, now just got to clean this off a little bit. A little bit of oil on the bottom there, just so the gasket sticks. Give that a little shot. That should do it. Now, let's go like this, something like that. Get a bowl. What's that called? Like that. Something like that. Yeah. Oh. Come on. That's one. That's two. Should be no problem now. Yep. I don't know what you're supposed to do for torque on these, but I don't think it's too critical. Well, we don't snap them off. Definitely some goop in the threads there now. These bolts are not even close to being rusty. They're really in good shape. But I guess they don't get any water. Or shouldn't anyways. All right, let's just give them a snug. Well, it's not really oozing out too badly. Give a little more. Ooh. There we go. So yeah, apparently it's a 12 bolt. Now at the parts store they said this is not stock for this truck. 1964 panel. They're telling me it's supposed to be a 10 bolt, but so maybe this rear end's been changed. But I mean, it looks like everything is the way it should be. But I don't know if it was a factory option or somebody says it's from a 68 C10. So who knows? But it all looks good anyways. So yeah, I'm just as happy with this one because it's probably a better rear end, but not posy or nothing like that, which I don't need. It's looking good. All right, give it one more round. And that should do it. Good enough. All right. Just clean that off a bit. They didn't do too bad, actually. Let's see it oozing out. Anywhere. Oh, it looks good. I don't think that's going to leak. Awesome. Now I can continue on with, well, I got the fuel line run. Now I got to run a brake line front to back up to here to the flex line. And then I'm going to run brake lines across to the two back wheels, replace the wheel cylinders. But once I get these two lines across, I can put the gas tank back in. But I also got to finish painting the frame on this side. I don't know if you can see it, but I got this all painted up to here, around the back here. So I'm just going to continue on. Once that's all painted and the brake lines are in, I can put the just get the gas tank fitted in there, make sure it's going to work, and then I'll paint the gas tank also. All right, let's carry on.